Hi everyone, hope you are doing good. So in this video, I will talk about builder design pattern. So as we know, builder design pattern is one of the creational design pattern that provides the creation way of creating the object which is having more fields. So suppose I have one class that is having only two fields. So creation of the object is not a problem and we will just require one default constructor, one constructor with single argument and another constructor with all the argument. But suppose this person class is having more than 20 fields. Then if we provide constructor with all the argument, then it will reduce the readability. So that's why a builder pattern is there for that kind of problems. So suppose I have this person class which is having 5 fields, and I have this constructor which is having 5 fields here, and we will require to create object. Then this is the way to create the object without having builder pattern. And now this class is having 20 fields. Then object creation will be like this. So in this case, as we see, some values should be null. So it will be difficult to understand that which null value is for which field. So that's why builder pattern is there to solve this kind of problem, and it will provide the readability. So I will explain the creation of object via builder design pattern. So this is the person class, and it is having 5 fields, and I have created this constructor. And if we have to create one builder class here as a static, and this is the constructor and this is the constructor, and we provide a method for each field here for and one build method which is having constructor which creates the object of the class, and one toString method. So when we use this class here, so here this is the way to create the object. Here we will write new person dot builder, then we can provide each field name with its value, and whichever field we don't want to send here, we can skip that. Like in this example, in this object creation, I have skipped age. So it will by default put its value as null. So we will run this program and we will see the result. So here we see first object was having all the fields here. So it is shown here, and in this object creation, I haven't provided age, and it is more readable and understandable. Like age is not mandatory here, so we are not passing here. That's why it is null. So this is the beautiful way of creating objects. So this is the builder design pattern we oftenly used in many scenarios. Thank you.